Parameterizations of the orientation. The orientation or rotation in a space has 3 degrees of freedom, as we have seen before, but the rotation matrix has 9 elements, so it means that this matrix is redundant. The objective of parameterization is to be precisely less redundant, so we want to use less than 9 elements to represent rotation or orientation. Usual parameterizations are the axis angle representation, which uses 3 elements and is equivalent to exponential coordinates. We also have Euler angles, which also uses 3 elements, Roll-Pitch-Yaw angles, which use 3 elements, and quaternions, which use 4 elements. Now, quaternions are sometimes also called Euler parameters. A minimal representation is a representation that only uses the number of degrees of freedom that the space has. In this case, the space has 3 degrees of freedom, so a minimal representation will use only 3 elements. The problem is that there exist singularities, which are ill-posed cases.